Here we have Ember. When Ember breathes to the side, as a young swimmer, it's important for her to keep her hand up in the water. If she lets that hand drop, she ends up leading with her head, which is not very hydrodynamic. It also doesn't lead to a very efficient freestyle. You can tell I have her swimming catch-up freestyle here because she'll wait for each hand to tag before another pull starts. Oftentimes when a young swimmer is learning something for the first time, I'll put fins on them. It makes it easier so they don't feel like they're having to survive in the water, but rather they can focus on the pointers and the tips I've given them. So when you're first learning something new, it's okay to put fins on, so you swim higher in the water. It's true you don't want breaths to take this long, but when they're beginning, it's more important for them to get their air and keep that hand up than it is to take a quick breath. But a quick breath would be the next step for Ember.
Well, Rocketeers, that's all I have for you today. If you're interested in your own private lessons in person or online, then head over to our website. Follow us over on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and support the channel by contributing to our Patreon. Links are in the description below. We give out a t-shirt on each platform every month. If you found this video helpful, splash that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you want to be the first to see these videos as soon as they're published, then turn on the bell notifications. If you practice it, let us know how it goes in the comments. We'll respond to everyone. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Now get ready to rock it.